Cleanliness of surroundings. On a picnic. You go for picnics with your schoolmates. You take a tasty tiffin and a bottle of clean water with you. How would you feel if the place where you go to play or have your tiffin is littered and dirty? Clean playing conditions. You go every day to play on the playground or some open space. Would you feel like playing there if your playground was littered with rubbish, plastic bags, leftovers of food, etc.? Your house and your surrounding. You sweep your home clean every day. Would you like it if its surroundings were dirty? Like your house, its surroundings must also be clean. Let us see how these children keep their surroundings clean. Good cleanliness habits. Seema always sweeps her house clean. She also cleans the area around her house. She picks up all the dirt and rubbish and puts it in a garbage bin. Syed and John go to the playground early. They collect paper scraps and plastic bags and keep them near the garbage bin. They put the wet garbage into the garbage bin. Keeping our surrounding clean. As Mary and Rita return from school, they water the roadside plants with the water from their water bottles. Nikhil, Aslam and Nandan's big brother ensure that little children from their area do not use the roadside as toilets or latrines. Cleanliness in school. Soham is the cleanliness monitor of the school. He reaches school half an hour before the school bell. He helps to collect the scrap paper and plastic bags and put them in different dustbins. Their school always wins the Cleanliness Award. Remember, keep your houses and its surroundings clean. Plant trees in your area if there aren't any. Look after them well. Due to unclean surroundings, food, water and air get polluted. Germs grow and infectious diseases spread. Hence, along with safe food and water, it is necessary to have clean surroundings too.